Once you start up the iQ SDI DVR, you'll see the following screen for a little while, and if there has been no hard drive added into the database, it will automatically try and format the hard drive once it boots up. So now that it's done a quick format, it will now reboot again. So if we just wait for that to happen. Once the DVR's rebooted, you'll see a little dialog box come up saying that you must add it to the database and confirm it in admin. So if we give that a moment, we can get into the menu system by typing in our password. So once we're into the main menu, we go down to admin, and then up in the top tab we have storage. So we go across the storage and you'll see the add remove. So we click up to that box and we add it in. So it'll ask you to format it and add in. So we just do that again, and that's pretty much it. We'll just reboot it once again and then check that it is fully added into the database. So with a quick check back in admin again, we can make sure that that's fully enabled in the database. So if we go down to admin, and the drive will now say that it's been formatted. So that's good, it's been added.